Hey guys, my name is Noria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am doing a review on some period products. So if that does not interest you, you might as well just click away. But if you want to know about some reusable products that you can use for your period, definitely stick around. So I'm going to be reviewing HighOh. So they reached out to me about 2 months ago to test out one of their reusable pad packages, and I was like, you know what, yes, I wanted to dive deeper into reusable pads. I have one brand currently. Oh, I have a sample of one, and then one I bought previously, so I'm always looking for new products, new brands I can support and things like that. So I actually read it wrong when I was using them. I thought I had their highest level pads. I actually have their medium ones. So I'm actually going to read kind of what they have right here. So they have 3 different sizes. You have a minimum to light flow, light to medium flow, and a medium to heavy flow. I thought I had the medium to heavy flow ones. Turns out I did not. And that surprises me because these did so well. So I'm just going to finish reading through and then we'll get into why I absolutely have been loving these. So you can choose a panty liner kit, so if you just want to back up to your menstrual cup or tampon. If you have a very light flow and just for everyday protection, those would be the minimal to light ones. You have the medium flow pads. There's typical standard absorbency disposable day pads. Sometimes leak urine when you sneeze or laugh, and also if you just have a medium or moderate flow. And you have the overnight flow pads, which are the long ones. It's like if you just gave birth, or if you tend to leak heavily over the front or back of your pads, or you just in general have a heavy flow. On their site, okay, they have, I don't know if you can, I'll post a picture, but they have like the panty liner ones, and then the medium ones, which is the ones I actually have, and then the high flow pads, which I thought I had. So I will say initially I thought I wasn't going to like these just because how they were kind of made. I had another pad that was somewhat like this before, and it moved all over the place. I just did not enjoy it, and I didn't feel like it protected me as much as I wanted it to. This one, I will say, it really does like curve to you. They did a really good job with the stitching. And my biggest things, even with regular pads, is I leak on the sides. That's just constantly, no matter what I use, I'm always having to either really stay on top of it, or I just go through a lot of things, period underwear or my regular underwear, just because it always leaks on the side. Only once did I have that problem with this, and I think it's just because I kept this on way too long. But these things hold a freaking lot. So over the past few months, I've realized that my flow has gotten heavier, and I legitimately have to switch out almost every 3 hours, if I even make it there on my first like 3 days of my cycle. I can put these on overnight. It will be extremely heavy in the morning, but there is no leaking. Everything is fine, and yeah, I normally just take it off, throw it in my shower, and then normally at that time I would actually get in my shower and clean these out. But you can also fold them up. They do come with a waterproof bag. You can just set these in to use. I kind of wish this was a little bigger because I would like to just store them in there, but as you can see, long ways doesn't really fit, but if you fold them in half, they'll fit perfectly fine. That being said, I have another one of these that I keep in the bathroom during that time of the month to hold on to these if I don't wash them right away. So it's advised that you wash them right away, but I sometimes get lazy and I'll just literally throw them in that bag. It keeps all odors in there, and literally when I go to shower, I will spend that first 5 minutes clearing off everything if I'm not just immediately hopping in. Because these hold a lot, they take a while to fully rinse out in the shower, and even then there's still some residue. So like, unlike my other brand where I will rinse all of it out and the water will run clear, so where if I'm in a pinch and I'm running low, I can just wash them in the tub, air dry them, and use them within the next few hours. Not so much with these. Luckily there are 6 of these. I'm missing one because I happened to use it recently, but there's 6 of these and they last for a long time, but it takes forever to get all the blood out. So I literally will just be underneath the shower like this, let it get heavy, squeeze out. I normally don't try to crinkle or anything. I just go through and I legitly squeeze down until I can get it majority clear, and then I'll just hang it out until I can put it in the wash machine. So a little bit more maintenance with this one. I'm pretty sure if I just took the time and really rinsed it out in the tub, I could reuse it right then, but I have enough. Plus I have my backups to where I don't feel like, oh, I absolutely need it right now. So downside plus good side is that these hold a lot. I like the backing. There's like this really, really soft material. And again, I have not experienced any leaking except for that one time, which I knew I should have changed it, and I did not. I was going over, like, I had worn it overnight and then I still didn't change it for like another 2 hours. So that was my bad. But even then, the leaking was not terrible. It was more of like a spot or so that it just happened to bleed through the backing. But coming from someone with a heavy flow, this was a lifesaver, and I thought I had the larger size. I just have the medium to heavy flow one. Is that what it is? Oh, I think they said light. I think this one said light to medium. Let me double check. Don't want to give you guys the wrong information. Yeah, this one's classified light to medium flow. And because this one, I measured it, is about, it says around 10 inches. This one's like 9 and some change. So yeah, I have the medium one. And oh my gosh, I did not expect to love these as much as I did. Not a big fan of the bag, but it is what it is. I still have another one, so I don't really mind that much. But yeah, if you guys are looking for some reusable pads, especially because now it's really hard to find pads on the shelves, I would definitely look into these. Yes, it's a little bit of an investment up front. These on Amazon right now I think are $31, but you get to use them, you get to reuse them, and honestly, I've been liking these over my regular pads. I still use regular panty liners and regular pads occasionally, like if I know I'm going to be out, because it's just easier to deal with. But overnight, I've pretty much switched out all my other ones to these. If I know I'm just going to be around the house and just like sitting a bunch, I will use my reusable ones. These have been my go-to. I have 2 other brands. One I stocked up on a bunch before, so I have like a complete set of panty liners and pads with them, and I still love these more. So that tells you something, like something and I'm not just saying that because I was sent these. With how much I spent on my other brand, which I do like, they are very comfortable. It's just that I found that I still leak on the side with those. So but still, you would think with something I spend almost $100 to make a complete set, I would enjoy them more over, you know, something I was just sent for free and that was honestly cheaper overall than what I have now. But no, I have loved these. I've gone through 2 cycles with these. I was supposed to do my video a while ago, but things happened. But I've 2 cycles with these and I'm still in love. I will most likely be purchasing another set just to have like a backup or whatever. But if you are looking, definitely look at HighOh. I have nothing bad to say about these. I am thoroughly surprised. I thought I wasn't gonna like them just because of, I don't know if you guys can see, it's just that texture. I thought that would be irritating. It pretty much like curves to my body and I don't notice it. Like, it feels fine. I will say, like, if you're wearing like a thin underwear or a thin legging, you might get some looks, but I always wear, I think, underwear underneath my stuff, so I'm gonna see panty lines and whatever anyway. So just long shirts, baggy, whatever. I'm not going for any awards here, but I have nothing bad to say about these. Super cost efficient, one payment of 30 bucks, and you're set for, I mean, if you're average flow, you don't have anything heavy, these 6 will probably be enough. Most of us have extras lying around the house anyway, like extra regular pads anyway lying around the house, so it's not like you need to buy multiple sets. I just would, because I know my body, and some days are fine and some days it sneaks up on me. But yeah, so that is pretty much my review on HighOh menstrual pads. This is their medium ones. It comes with 6 reusable pads, and the bag you can kind of store it in between washes. This is also a wash machine. All of these can be thrown in the wash machine. I would just suggest anytime you use any reusable pad, rinse it out first. Try to get most of that blood out beforehand and then throw it in the wash. I normally throw this in with all my other menstrual stuff. You can put it in your same load as your darks, but I just don't. It's up to you. But so I will have a link to this product in the description box below. Let me know if you have any other questions about it, or any other questions about any other things I mentioned. I'm using a menstrual cup right now, testing that out. That was an adventure. I might do a video on that one, because menstrual cups are interesting. They are interesting, and you kind of got to really get personal with yourself. So if you guys want a video on that, definitely let me know. But other than that, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video if you found it useful, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!